speaker of this morning is someone who is, we've had a slight change in substituting for one of the previous speakers that was coming. However, also from Wipro and the same general area, so should be able to address this very well. Our presenter is Bipin Nilanjan. Has more than 17 years of experience in the healthcare industry. He is currently head of sales and client services for healthcare at Wipro. And he has worked across the key segments of the healthcare industry, including payer, provider, Medicare, Medicaid. He began his career in the commercial payer industry and led a number of large system integration and consolidation programs. He has done research on the disease management and wellness management industry and its role in tackling the increasing cost within the industry. Bipin, please.
Thank you. So it's a pleasure to be here. On behalf of Wipro, I would like to thank SAPO organization for inviting us here. I come from Wipro's healthcare and life sciences group. I mostly spend my time working with large hospitals here in the US and large insurance companies. So my topic today is, after visiting China and India, I would like to basically bring it back to US to see, what is the impact of healthcare reforms on the US healthcare, and what are the challenges that it is posing for both providers, as we call all these hospitals and doctors, and payers, what we call all these insurance companies, and what are the opportunities for all of us in this room. So when I look at this particular decade, I truly see this as a transformational decade for the healthcare industry within US. For so many previous decades, there were always talks about changing things and adopting the new technologies or new ways of doing things. But pretty much it was status quo. But this decade, because of healthcare reform legislations that have come in, the mounting healthcare costs that are there, a lot of, I guess, stars are getting aligned for both payers as well as providers to dramatically change the way they are doing things. And at Wipro, being one of the largest global systems integrator, we are in a vantage point where we get to see the pains and challenges that each of these two sides of the coins are facing, and what are the opportunities that emerge out of this situation, what kind of collaboration is happening or likely to happen in this space. So if I look at the provider side, there is a huge cost pressure, primarily CMS, which is the biggest spender of dollars in this space. They are pushing to bring the cost down year on year. CMS is dictating that the providers will not get paid on a fee for service, which is getting paid for each procedure they do on the patient. They are insisting on moving to a stage where hospitals and doctors are paid based on the outcomes. They are paid for managing the whole disease for that particular patient, or even for the community that they are going to serve. So there is a huge cost pressure, there is a huge amount of investment needed to be compliant with all the regulations that are coming in. So it's a classic case where the hospitals and doctors need to think of some innovative ideas to address these issues. So from Wipro's point of view, we are seeing opportunities where we are partnering with some of the largest hospitals in as simple activities as managing their infrastructure end to end. We have one of the largest infrastructure management practices globally. So it's a realization that we see setting in within the provider community that, hey, I'm a hospital or I'm a doctor, let me focus my energy on treating my patients rather than trying to manage the back-end servers and hardware and networking gear. Let me give it to somebody who specializes in these areas and help me bring my cost down. At the same time, there is a focus with accountable care organizations. There is a focus within the provider community to look at it as a holistic issue in managing health of the community. What's happening, at least from my perspective, when I look at the emergence of ACO, is this whole provider business model is turning upside down. Whereas earlier hospitals were more interested in keeping the members or the patients tied to the beds or within the hospital, they would be responsible to see how they can keep them out of the hospital and manage the overall health care, basically cost of the community, so that there is optimum utilization of the healthcare needs. Today and for last so many years, all of us basically see a lot of wastage in the system. So now hospitals are being empowered to basically take charge of the situation and bring the cost down versus just it being a challenge for the insurance companies or CMS. So towards that, at Wipro, we have some solutions like ACO in a box, and it's a relatively new concept. It's focused on the member as the center of attention, and how the whole system, healthcare system, works around the patient and their well-being. So it needs a lot of innovative technology tools and coordination, collaboration techniques across hospitals, labs, clinics, as well as the payers, as well as the members themselves. And a lot of the new tools, technical tools are available in the market, but now I think this ACA will really force this whole community to start using these techniques. When it comes to the insurance side, healthcare insurance side, there is again huge pressure because of the changes that are happening in the ICD 9 to 10 move, or the Healthcare Reform Act is pushing a lot of cost reduction focus is there. For example, for a typical dollar that an insurance company earns, now they are supposed to spend at least 80 or 85 cents out of that on Medicare expenses. That practically turns these insurance companies into utilities. So there is very low opportunity for gaining huge amounts of margins or profits for the payers. So they are now looking at non-premium based revenue streams. So there is a focus to see how they can earn dollars that are not just tied to the premiums coming from the patients. So that's where we will basically see a lot more activities where the payers are buying providers. A lot of payers are acquiring hospital chains. They are trying to create integrated delivery models, and they are also now open to share some of their IT assets. Earlier, in last so many years, it was always about we are unique, we do our things in a certain way, so we had to build every IT solution or the technology solution in a custom way. Now they are open to looking at ways wherein they can share at least some of the core IT assets across the payers where they are not competing with each other. So we see a lot of opportunities for helping both providers as well as payers gain some efficiencies in the way they do things. At the same time, be ready for the new world that would evolve out of this whole healthcare reform as it unfolds. unfolds from 2014 to 2017. So I hope this would be a good decade of opportunities for all of us to participate in this huge change and help US basically reduce the healthcare spend while creating business opportunities.